Hello and welcome to Take It Simple. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm about to teach you how you can connect your Gmail account with your AOL account. It's pretty simple, so please follow the steps to do so. First of all, go ahead and open your Chrome or Edge browser and then open Gmail. Go to the settings section on the top right corner and press on all settings, then press on accounts and imports. There you can see the section of check mail from other account. There you can press on add a mail account. Here you have to go and press your email or your AOL account which you want to add. Go ahead and press next as you link accounts with Gmail and then this pop-up will appear. Go ahead and press agree. Wait for a while and then you are all done. Your Gmail and AOL mail is now connected. You will get all your mails from AOL in your Gmail directly. Hope the video was helpful for you. If you have any sorts of confusions, please do mention us on the comment section down below. See you in the next video. Until then, goodbye and take care. And yeah, forgot to tell you, like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. See you.